Hello and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to send a quote to a customer after it's created. So we'll start again from our dashboard page. If you're already in the quote section, just hang there for a second and I'm going to arrive here and find the quote. Now in this case I want to show you something. If you watched the last video, I showed you how to search for something and to isolate a specific quote in the system. So this is a good place to show you. If you'll notice now when I hit my quotes page, I've only got one quote here. Now obviously I've got a lot of quotes in the system. So what happened was I created a search and the system has saved that search for me. So as a note, when you're done searching for something, you can always hit this clear search. It's going to save that for you for a number of reasons. One, so that you don't have to go searching for it again if you accidentally click somewhere else. So let's clear search. And now I've got my whole list again, but in this case, my quote is right on top. So let's go to it. And I'm going to go to my review and adjust screen, which is where it goes by default. But just in case you're coming from a different way, remember you'll go to your review adjust tab here. And over here, I'm going to hit email. So I select that. Now it's got by default, my recipient is already in place, and this is the person who is my primary contact for this job that I'm quoting, and that's already in here. Of course, if I have other contacts in the system, I can add them. I can also copy anybody in the company internally that I want to on this quote. And I've got my text and my preset text already here. I've got my reply to email that's going to be a link when they get it. And then my proposal is all set here and exported into the PDF, which you can see on the preview screen, and also if you send it to a PDF as well. So again, a preview of this is on the review and adjust screen, and that's what this PDF is down here. So all I have to do in this case now is to hit the send button, and that quote is now off to my customer. It'll show up in their email. The other thing to point out is that if I've uploaded any other documents and files in the quote folder, they will also appear down here with my proposal. Simultaneously, I can also hit my browse button and I can upload a file right before I send it, doing it this way. So a couple different ways of doing that, but the nice thing is all of my available documents with this quote are stacked down below, and I can simply select which ones I want to send with this message. So I'm going to send this off. And now you'll see my message has been sent. It's indexed it here and saved it in the system for my own tracking purposes, and my quote has been sent by email off to my customer. Okay, so that's all you have to do to send a quote. Again, you can always come through to send other messages through the system, coming to this tab here that says messages. But as you remember, as we showed, when you send a quote, you do that through the review and adjust tab in your quote section. Thanks for listening, and we will see you on the next video.